Oh, I can be a clown, I think, in the circus or something. No, it's not for me. So the hack goes as follows. You take a foundation that's not full coverage. On my turn, I'm using the Miracle Second Skin, the Hybrid Foundation. Hydrates, protects and renews in light, 03 light. And they, okay, a little bit more. So two pumps. So, and what they do, they add loose powder with it. And I don't know if this is enough. Let's mix it with the backside of a brush to see what's going to happen. I couldn't find my spatula, so okay, it's a little bit grainy. I don't know if you can see that. It's grainy. And I really hope that that is gone before I put it on my face. It is really grainy, so with the back side of the brush, making the brush clean. Okay, do you see what's happening here? I have the feeling that it's turning into full coverage. I am surprised. At least I can say that. And if you know me, then you know that I don't like full coverage on my forehead, and that has its reasons. I don't like a very harsh hairline. That's something I despise, don't like. And I've got a little bit of lines already on my forehead, so I like to buff that out more. So that's also why I like a more natural finished foundation. Okay, this looks good. Just a little bit of powder and that was it. This was one hack with a very light natural foundation mixed in with the powder, and it's turning full coverage, and I think it works, but then again I don't have a lot to hide, so I don't know how it is on a skin with more blemishes or more pimples or anything, so that's something you have to find out for yourself. But I like this so far, but I didn't see it up close yet, so okay, that all seems just fine. I really like that finish. It looks grainy on the palette and while mixing, but on my face it's not grainy or powdery at all. So I hope for the best now. So let's take it a step further with the hacks if we're already busy. So I saw something that was with the contour, with a straight line on your face, the cream blush in dots right here, and a little bit of concealer underneath the eyes. Yeah, and I am very curious if that's going to work. A straight line. Oh, I feel so beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, this is not beautiful. I'm going in with the cream blush, lip to cheek, so it's for your lips and your cheeks. Freddy. It is a lot of blush around the blush area. So, and here. Oh, I can be a clown, I think, in the circus or something. No, it's not for me. I'm going to use that Instant Anti-Age Eraser by Maybelline as a concealer. So, a dotje there. A dotje there. A dotje there. And there. There, 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 there. I'm going in by brush. I'm not using a sponge because that's not my favorite thing to do. First I'm going to do the concealer because this one is drying the quickest and the rest is a cream. So I don't need to get worried about the cream. That one isn't going to dry in. Okay, then the temples. And I like to swirl it more upwards. This is not how I like to do it because just get your stuff everywhere, but it's very difficult to do. I'm so worried that you are having one round blob on your face, you know? Oh, this is a real training for your arm. Okay, I got my beard left, so let's put some muzzle in here. Okay, I'm cheating a little bit. I'm just dragging my brush. Oh, I love these hacks. Who is coming up with this stuff? Because I think it's much quicker if you just do your makeup normally instead of all this pooah, you know? You can see I got a line now because of all that excessive bronzer. Oh no, contour. So I'm taking that down. I can't say I'm thrilled. Okay, maybe this part is nice. This part, it can be better. But I'm not mad at that part. But I'm mad at this part. It just looks so terrible. But maybe I can fix that. So I'm going back in with the concealer and make a straight line here and here. And I make my chin a little bit wider and blend that out and push it downwards and not upwards. Okay, it looks a lot nicer now. Okay, make it a little bit less brown at the chin because I really dislike that. Okay, while we're at it, just add a little bit more of concealer over there because I disrupt my foundation with this technique. And you know, I just lost a little bit of that gorgeous blush. It's a shame. But I have to say, for a full face, a full coverage foundation, it doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. But you see, I tweaked things here and there to look right and not to look like a bearded woman. I'm going to use the powder part just to set the under eye. Moving on to the bronzer. Just to fix this also a little bit in that hairline, because you can't see a hairline. A little bit over here. What I still like to do is, because in my brush is now a concealer, just to bring it up a little bit, because it was one line. That's better. Okay, now I'm feeling me again. So the hack is not a total flop, with some tweaks, because yeah, you saw I was a bearded lady. I had weird stripe on my face, and here I had a weird hairline. But now if I see in the mirror what I did to tweak it, it's good. But it's not a technique that I would recommend. Just do your makeup the normal way. You don't need that much of product to get this. So, and you don't have to work that hard for it either. So they say, most of the times they say it's a hack, but in real life it isn't. So, but that's my opinion. So, and this is the end of the face hacks video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have other hacks that you want me to try out, to test, or something else, please leave it down below in the comments and I will check it out later and try to do something with it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!